This is my new board, accumulator rivet pistol. It's a wonderful tool. It's working with all batteries accumulators from the brand Makita, 18-volt Accu Type EL or competitives. It has a powerful brushless engine with a power of 10,000 Newton. It comes with a good assortment of needed tools. You have all the rivet sizes you can work with, from 2.4 millimeters over 3.2 millimeters to 4 millimeters and 4.8 millimeters. And you can use aluminum rivets as well as stainless steel rivets. It's easy to change the rivet puller to the needed size. As you see, it's the accumulator for Makita accus. I have an adapter for my other brand accumulator, and it's easy, it works immediately like it should. You might have seen there's also an LED light which helps to light on the spot you're working with. And in the following minutes I will show you several rivet workings with this wonderful pistol. Makes it easy, no harm to your hands, and you might see this little box in the end. There will all those remedies of the rivets fall in, so you can easily throw them away after your work and have not to fiddle around with all the things normally finding on your floor. Help. Quick, strong and easy. No pain in the hand. Very powerful. I'll show you the result. Plain, soft, no edges, no sharp edges. Wonderful, nice. And the last one, the last try. That's it. Strong, reliable, perfect. Here I show you now where all the remedies are in, easy to throw away in the dustbin. Nothing lying on the floor now. Easy, easy, easy. The whole thing comes in a transport case, as you have seen in the beginning. My thumbs are up. Really 100% recommendation for any do-it-yourself guy. Wonderful.